I'm Amish Sethi, and here's my program called the Oregon Trail. So you can look through the tutorial here, and it'll go over some basic instructions, but I'll go through it as we go along. So let's start the game. You first get a choice, and you play it like a choices game. You have 5 options, and if you click a number and enter, then you will select the corresponding option. And if you will get a couple of these, and eventually you'll reach a major landmark. And once you reach that landmark, you're going to be fighting a boss battle, as you'll see. So let's start going in August. And if we go in August, you can see that the weather is surprisingly good this year. The way it works is that there's a 50-50 chance as to whether the weather will be surprisingly good or it will be bad. And as a result, it's a 50-50 as to whether your health bar goes down or whether it stays the same. So next, you get to buy something, and I highly recommend buying the gun, as in the boss battle, it's really good to have a ranged weapon. So let's buy a hunting rifle. So now we can try to go to the village to trade, and this is another 50-50, where either they'll welcome you warmly or they will not welcome you warmly. Clearly here they did, and our health bar went up accordingly. So now we can move downstream to find shallower waters, and now we get to the first major boss battle. The boss battles are the main portion of the game, as this is the main place where you'll lose your health, as you'll see right now. So if you can click the right arrow to go right, left arrow to go left, and the up arrow to jump, and spacebar is to shoot. So you can do this, and each time you hit the wolf, he takes damage, but if the wolf runs into you, you take damage. So the goal is to kill the wolf. Oh no. Okay, so we beat the boss, and the music's going to fade away, and now we can continue on with the choices. So here's another choice, and let's just accept their help. And this brings us to our second major boss battle, which is where we'll be fighting another man. However, the other frontiersmen that we'll be fighting also have ranged weapons, so you have to be careful of that and jump accordingly, as you can see. Oh no. Oh, nice. Yep. And he's dead. So after this, we beat the party, and now we reach the South Pass Mountains. And here, if you choose to eat the plant, it's a 50-50 as to whether that plant is a poison or whether it's a cure and you live. So let's do that, and it ended up being a cure. So now, this is the last choice, and after this choice, you're either going to die or you're going to make it to Oregon. There's no in between. It's a 50-50 for every single choice, other than obviously end game, as then you'll end the game. So let's drink the water. Oh no, the water was poisonous and we died. You can restart and keep on playing, and hopefully soon you'll make it to Oregon. That's my game. Hope you enjoyed it.